Hi, Poppy here. I'm in the living room. This is episode 1 of Poppy's Trash Fire. I did a practice video for this the other day. That'll probably show up if I ever get a website to host me for the unfiltered Poppy, which they'll make a whole lot of money off the advertising and media sales. Maybe I'll get a nice little letter saying, "Hey, you made us rich!" That's the way it works. Now for what doesn't work. This. I do not recommend this product. The problem is right here where you're supposed to clamp the blade in. The designer broke the KISS rule. Instead of a nice honest screw to clamp down on it, he made this fancy little rotating collet thing that's supposed to lock it in. It don't work. This is a pure, undiluted, single discrete particle of fecal matter, in my opinion. You see how this is all bent up here? I don't abuse tools the way I did this. It's going in the garbage tonight. I won't even hang it on the fence for some homeless person to have. I like homeless people too much. That's an all power. I don't recommend it. It's your money. You do what you want.